In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill numbers, months, and dates in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document on your desktop so you can see your data and the grid clearly. Once you're in, click the single cell that contains the number, month, or date you want to start from. This starting cell tells Sheets what pattern to continue, whether that's 1, January, or a specific date like May 1st. Now move your cursor to the small blue square sitting in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. That tiny square is called the fill handle, and it's the key to quickly extending a series without typing everything by hand. When your cursor hovers over it, it will change to a small crosshair, letting you know you're in the right spot. Click and hold that fill handle, then drag in the direction you want the series to grow. Drag down to fill a column, or drag across to fill a row. As you drag, you'll see a preview of what's going to be generated. Numbers will step forward, months will move through the calendar, and dates will increment day by day. Position the selection exactly where you want the fill to end, then release the mouse button. As soon as you let go, Google Sheets will populate the cells with the appropriate series based on your starting value. If you began with a number, you'll see it count upward by 1. If you started with a month name, it will continue to the next months. If you started with a date, it will fill the following calendar days. You can drag left or up as well, and Sheets will reverse the direction of the sequence. There's also a faster way if you're filling down a column next to existing data. Double-click the fill handle instead of dragging. Sheets will automatically extend the series to match the length of the adjacent data, stopping right where the neighboring column ends. This is perfect when you have a long list and don't want to scroll. If the results don't look right, check the cell's format. For example, if your date is formatted as plain text, Sheets might repeat the same value instead of creating a series. Changing the format to automatic, number, or date usually fixes it. And if you ever fill too far or change your mind, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo instantly. That's all it takes. With the fill handle and a quick drag or double click, you can build clean, consistent sequences in seconds.